On number 9, we're trying to find the inverse. So my first step is to rewrite it not in functional notation. And then I want to swap my x and my y. So x is equal to 4 over y plus 2. And then I need to solve for y. Now, this one's a little bit tricky because my y is on the denominator. So in order to get it out of the denominator, I need to multiply really by y plus 2. Let's see if I have room here to do that. Y plus 2. So that's going to get it out of that other denominator and get it up to the main level. So I have x times y plus 2 is equal to 4. So I'm still solving for y. So I want to distribute the x. So xy plus 2x is equal to 4. And let's move that negative 2x to the other side. And then again, we're trying to get y by itself, so lastly, let's just divide both sides by x. And call it the inverse. If you wanted to, another way of expressing the answer, if you want to give that x to both this one and that one and break up the fraction, then you could say this is 4 over x minus, and then that x would cancel out with the other x and it would be minus 2. So if you express the answer like that, you can. Either way is okay.